Hey YouTube, I'm back in the junkyard again. I want to show you this car. It's really cool. I think it's a 58 or 59 Chrysler Imperial. Beautiful old car. I wish I had it for my own. As you can tell, this car has been here for quite a while. There's actually moss growing on it. But what a beautiful car. There's so much chrome on this car. It'd be a really nice car if it was taken out of here and fixed up. See if I'll go around the other side and see if I can get a picture of the inside of it. Beautiful old car. Definitely been here a while. Look at the trees growing up. And the best part about this old car is, yep, that's a HEMI engine. It's awesome. I'm not sure what size it is, but the size of the head pans and that. What a beautiful old engine. What a shame it's here. On one of my other previous videos, I had a 500 Cadillac engine. This here, the Cadillac engine was 24 to 25 inches across. I think this one's even bigger. I wish I had a measuring tape, but it looked more like about 30. I can't get the door open. It's seized up and stuff piled against it, but you can see inside of it. What a really luxurious old car. It's beautiful, or at least it was beautiful. Anyway, we can't save them all. Thanks for watching.